Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Electron.js video tutorial we will talk about browser window properties. So here we are not going to talk about the Chrome or Firefox browser window properties. Here we will talk about the Electron.js software browser properties, right? So after running our application we get this kind of windows, and this window has lots of properties around. You can say that more than 100 of properties, but we will learn around 8 to 10 properties, which is very important, and you will get to know that how we can apply the other properties also, right? So if you want to just talk about these properties like height and width, then frame, how we can set the background color always on top, title, and then we will see that how we can just make it resizable, true and false, then title, and after that opacity, icon, and lots of things, right? So if you just want to take a look on the all properties, then you can just go through with this documentation, and here you will find a lots of properties like let me just show you from the top, which is like width, height, x and y axis, use, content size, center, min, max, width, and resizable, movable. There are lots of properties, but we will talk about the major properties, and then you will get to know that how we can apply all these properties also, right? So now let's just go to the code, and first of all let's just close our browser window from here, right? So these are the basic properties, which is width and height. So you can just adjustable whatever your software requirement or whatever your application requirements. Let's say I just want to make the height width around 500 pixel and height around 800 pixel, right? And now let's try to run it. Now you can see that we got this kind of window look and feel, right? So we can use this. Then the another one is let's say we just want to hide this close, minimize and maximize tab and this title, that how we can do it. So for that let me just reset it, because let's go with the by default, right? And then we can just simply write here frame, right? And if I just put here frame false and just restart it, then you will find that this title bar will be just hidden from here, right? So let's just restart it for a moment, and here you can see that we don't have any header now, and we cannot even move it. Yes, we can resize it, but we cannot move it without the header title bar, right? So this is another one interesting property. So now let's see that how we can just set the background color, and let's just remove these properties, because it will just we will get the problem with the closing this window browser, right? So now let's just set a background color, and with the background color you can use the hexadecimal code like #1 FF0000, and this will be, I think, red color, right? And let's try to open it. Now our application background is red. All right, so now let's just go with some more properties like always on top. So here you can see that now my window is on the top, and if I'm just going to open the command line, then command line on the actually on the top, right? And then if I just open the browser, then browser is actually on the top. So always on top property will just make it the top. If we are just want to open the browser, then it will be behind to the web application, right? So now let me just show you. If I'm just going to use here always on top, and I'm going to make it true, then you will just find that our window is on the top. And if I'm just going to open the browser and anything else, the everything will be just beside this or backside this our software, right? So you can just close it for a moment so that we can just check the more properties, and just remove it for a moment. And let's say you just want to add the title, then by default when you just find the title, it will be your application name, which is YouTube, and it will just getting from this your application name. So you can just make your custom title also. For example, you just want to make awesome app or something, right? And let's try it again. and now our application title is awesome app. So let's say you just want to, okay, so now actually you are able to see that three icons here, one for the close, minimize, and for the maximize. So let's say I just want to make it resizable false. I just want to take my application height and width same, right? So for that you can just simply write here resizable resizable I think I just made something wrong. Okay, now this is working fine. Yes, and we can just simply write here false, and now when you just restart it, then you will find there we have only the two icons here. We don't have a property for the resize it, and even we cannot make it resize, like with the mouse we cannot just change the size of it for your application, right? So this is the benefit of resizable property. So if this with the same way you can just change your icons, opacity, and lots of things. Keep in mind from there some properties actually don't work on Windows, some properties don't work on Linux, and some properties don't work on Mac operating system also. So before applying any property, just check out there carefully that is it working properly or not. And in the next video we will talk about how we can make a child window and the use of child window and all, right? So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you.